Alright, so today is going to be a little how-to with a little bit of help from Kevin from Escaping the Daily Grind. I'll put his social media down somewhere at the top or the bottom, but we're going to go from this piece of junk to this. And so far, haven't done anything other than taking this little filter cover off, and then I took the cover off of the top of the air conditioning unit so that there'd be a little bit more light through there and we could possibly see a little bit better. But other than that, that's all it's done so far. I did have to order another part aside from this thermostat. I had to order this little fella. Alright, so let's start by getting this piece of junk off the wall. Got it. Alright, disconnected. I got the wires spread out so they're not going to touch because I kind of need the lights in here right now. Alright, next I'm going to be taking and unscrewing these two screws and bringing this control box down because it's the box that we're replacing with the one that I ordered. So that we can connect all the extra wires and everything. So I'm gonna get that down and I will be back. Alright, so got all of our other ends of the wires here, so that's good. It'll just be a matter of disconnecting all of this and then reconnecting it to the appropriate spots. Okay, now that I've got it all disconnected, these two wires are the ones that go to the furnace. And then these are the positive and negative here, and then I need to unscrew this box and get this power wire out so that I can wire it into the new control box. I'll do that next. Alright, I got the box open. I'm gonna take these three wire nuts off and it should release this wire here, and then I can connect it to the other box. Okay folks, this is the control box that came stock with the camper. It's missing a whole bunch of wires because what you have to do is, for the new control box that's up there, I'll show you in a second, but you got to take the wiring harness, the set of wires that is in the stock one, and put it in the new one. One, so that your connector will work, and two, so that you can have all the connections that are needed here. So this is everything connected. Now, I'm not a refrigeration AC specialist by all means. Kevin from Escaping the Daily Grind, he FaceTimed with me and made sure that I got all the connections correct. But as you can see, we're now using 6 of the 7 wires that come all the way to the thermostat. You know, we used the DC power negative that was running to it already for, you know, the positive and negative, and then we wired in all of the extra. And I also just put in a toggle switch for high and low fan. I'm going to show you guys a schematic of the wiring because it's going to probably make a whole lot more sense than me rambling about it half coherently knowing what I'm talking about. But I'm going to get it all put up in the ceiling, and then I'll get it turned on and show you guys it working. Alright, this is it with it all installed, and it's on AC, my switch. Let's see if you can hear it. That's it, folks. Hit me up in the comments, or Kevin, and we'll answer questions if you got them.